Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we're back in Essex Marina, we're with boats.co.uk, and this video we're going to be doing a walkthrough or a tour of the a little bit aged but absolute classic Fairline Squadron 59, and we're on the outside at the moment. Let me give you a spin round and look at how stunning this model is. As we walk to the back, you can see it's got a passenger rail to extend out onto the quay if you're backed into any berths. It even has some slots along the back of the boat for picking up a tender and putting it on the back. And this thing is absolutely enormous, and I'll reveal to you later what a good price it's currently up for sale. So as we take a step on and we head on inside, first thing we come across is this nicely roofed but protected seating area, effectively, with storage in the bottom if you want to put a tender away or deflate anything, or put maybe some couple of stand-up paddle boards, and access to the engine. And you might have even seen there's a ladder there. We'll go through that later, what's up that ladder. But with the covers up at the moment, it's nicely protected in here, well away from the wind. But you can take them all down if you fancy a little bit more of a breeze coming through. Now, we've got the sofa across the back, which you might have noticed, these cushions look like they fold up, and that's because they do. If we fold them out of the way, this is probably one of the first boats I've filmed where, if we pick this up, we have crew quarters on board, which you can see down there. There's a single bed and even room for a toilet and a sink on the left hand side. Now it's a little bit confined, and it doesn't just have to be for crew quarters. You can use it for if you've got any kids on board, but it's an absolutely amazing bit of kit. And the reason for that is because the engines don't sit too far back on this boat. They sit a little bit more towards the middle, and that's because it is a shaft drive system on here. And then as we go on into the first part of the inside, this is an absolute classic. The wood is such a lovely finish. I love the curtains and the style of the sofa, and I can tell you the sofa is very comfortable, and this would be such a wonderful seating area for a little bit of a dining in evening, or you fancy just a couple of friends on your boat to chill in the evening. I think this is absolutely superb area, even with storage spaces for your glasses, or if you want to put any alcohol on board, both sides. It's a huge, massive, great big area, and it only gets bigger because as we step forward, this would be what I would consider to be more the day area, even with a nicely finished upholstered on this table round here to keep the captain or their buddy company, with a couple of bolster seats up and helm. We'll go through the helm in a second, and that's because you might have noticed this is the galley area, which is brilliant. If you're on board, it's got a viewing area to talk to your friends down there, and it has everything that you need. It's got a microwave on board, it's got a fridge, it even has a wine cooler, which I think is a must if you've got a boat as elegant as this. But yeah, it doesn't stop there though. This is plenty of area for entertaining, but it only gets better because there is a flybridge on this model, and that is up through here, which is a separate stairway from the lounge area or the cabin area out. Now it's got all the covers on at the moment, but you can see there's a wonderful lounge area up there with a wet bar on board, seating, and you can even take the controls up from up here, which if we're looking out the front, you can picture just absolutely crashing through the waves on a day like today, and you are going to be absolutely fine on this huge 59-foot boat. What a boat this is. Now, let me take you back down and let's have a little discussion about the helmet area on board this boat, which, as we said, it's got two lovely seats, a footrest as well to keep yourself nice and comfortable, and I like the little pen and pencil rack on the side as well, with VHF radio fitted on board, of course, and it even has bow and stern thruster on here with those two throttle controls for each engine. And I love the finish again, even in the helm area, such a lovely finish with all the dials. I think this boat, although old, just screams out how well it was produced back in its day and how it's still maintaining such a beautiful look. It is impressive. Lastly then, as we head down, we go down into the main cabins, and this is where it does get exciting, because being a 59 foot, it's got room for 3 rooms, which there's one of them, a twin with wardrobes, and again the exact same on the other side, wardrobes and a twin again. And then this is where it gets impressive, the sizes of the bathrooms on board here. There we go. You have toilet, you have a sink, you even have a bidet on board, and plenty of mirrors. That's me, hello everybody. But this huge shower with the wraparound screen to make full use of the standing room is very impressive. And you might think that's a waste of a space, but you'd be surprised they've managed to squeeze 2 of these on, which is an ensuite for the master bedroom. Again, the exact same layout with everything that you would need on board. And that takes us round to the master bedroom then, which is a wonderfully sized double bed with wardrobes both sides, so you could almost have his and hers wardrobes with a little bit of lighting at the top, and again the little finishes, the curtains to pull across, although a slightly dated look, I think are absolutely fantastic. And just a little bit of care and attention, you could bring this boat up to a very modern spec with just changing things like the curtains. It has a lot to offer, this boat, and it doesn't stop there, because we've been talking a lot about entertaining, and I'm going to talk about it more, because as we head out to the front, we've got quite a long walk. Like I said, it's a large boat, and that's going to take us out to the bow, where we have got infill cushions that go down the middle here, creating a wonderful sun space to just lie on the front, and the electric windlass there, so you can moor up and enjoy a cocktail or two and just enjoy how large this boat is. And like I said to you earlier on, it's a lot of boat, but the best bit is the price. Now you'd be surprised, it's a 59 foot and it's currently up for sale for 155,000. Now it is a slightly older boat, so that's a little bit understandable. However, like I said, a little bit of care and touch is in the right places, and I think this boat could be absolutely fantastic, brought right up to a modern spec, and it would be stunning everybody out on the water. So if you're interested in this boat, head over to boats.co.uk. If you're interested in something similar to this, but not quite this one, head over to boatmarketplace.co.uk, see what's up for stock on our website. And if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends, tell all your family about us if you know they'd be interested in my videos. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Goodbye.